अपने बातों में अच्छे से लपेट सकता है।
मतलब स्वीटली बोल के तुमको कुछ भी करा सकता है।
आयान
दिस इज फॉर आयान।
Fully.
है ना?
मेरा एक तरफा इश्क।
Who is the person who has all the industry gossip?
One person that has all the gossip, I think, Urfi.
Urfi, yes. Urfi does have. If you had to give it to somebody, I know who the name is. Who likes sleeping? Who's always sleeping while shooting? Who? मजाक बनाया जाता है यार.
Elvish. He sleeps a lot.
But you know that the people ship you guys together and it's called Janvish. What do you have to say to that? Like,
I mean, the whole perception of Elvish was very different when I had not met him. But after I met him, it completely changed.
And loyal in friendships. Somebody जिसके लिए रिश्ते बहुत matter करते हैं.
Reem is very loyal. Roshni and I have been friends for so many years now. Sakshi is very loyal. Shivangi and I have known each other for 4 or 5 years now, but she's extremely loyal. I think my dad. Yeah.
And why do you say that?
Because you know, he shifted to Mumbai. हमारे उनकी फैमिली में किसी का ऐसा बैकग्राउंड अलग था. हमारी फैमिली में से कोई एक्टिंग बैकग्राउंड, कोई इंडस्ट्री से नहीं था.
So basically this has got दिल also.
It's too Gen Z ना?
Yeah. It has got दिल and जो बहुत रो सकता है. Who's over emotional and over loving? What is your defense? Like heartbreak in any
form.
Yeah.
By not dealing with it at all. Yeah. I think this one I would wear on my head, like because this is a like nice. Oh, this is giving like nice beach vibes. So yeah, definitely on the head. This is going.
Yeah.
This I think I can do it on my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think on the hand, I think it will look nice.
So basically, thank you. We've got Jannat for this round of rapid fire. It's presented by Hexafun. So usually rapid fire में क्या होता है कि we ask you questions, right? So here I'm going to show you certain quirky socks or hankies or coasters. Okay, you have to tell me who from your life you want to gift it to. It can be anybody from Laughter Chef, it can be anybody from your family, it can be any of your other friends as well. Okay, because everything has a different story.
Okay.
It says basically if you can see कि इसमें एक लटाई है. ना?
लटाई?
हम लोग लटाई बोलते हैं.
क्या
बोलते हैं उसको? मांझा and वो.
ओके पतंग और मांझा वाला.
है ना? तो जो अपने बातों में अच्छे से लपेट सकता है वो कौन है?
अपने बातों में अच्छे से लपेट सकता है.
मतलब स्वीटली बोल के तुमको कुछ भी करा सकता है.
आयान.
दिस इज फॉर आयान.
Fully.
है ना?
Fully.
I knew you were.
कुछ भी बात हो वो मना सकता है.
What was the last thing that he got done like this?
I mean सिर्फ आज ही उसने बोला था तो उसके दोस्त जा रहे हैं एक दिस मंथ कोई पर्टिकुलर डेट है उसको कहीं बाहर जाना है एक दिन के लिए क्योंकि उसके दोस्त जा रहे हैं. तो उसने मुझे आज ही बोला कि अप्पी आपने मुझे जो जो बोला था करने मैं वो सब कर रहा हूँ, बस मैं आपको ये रिमाइंड करा रहा हूँ कि मैं सब कर रहा हूँ. सो यू बेटर लेट मी गो.
ओके.
सो या.
ओके. नेक्स्ट वन. As you can see, food. मतलब पूरा का पूरा रिश्ता फूड पे बना हुआ है. Your choices of food is same. और जो आपको लगता है कि like मतलब I can talk food with this person all the time.
Food with this person all the time. I think my best friend Sakshi.
Okay.
Yeah. बिकॉज हम मतलब उसका नाम भी मेरे फ़ोन पे सेव है पीरी पीरी साक्षी. बिकॉज वी लव पीरी पीरी फ्राइज, वी लव पर्टिकुलर जगह के मोमोज एंड द कॉफ़ी एंड देन अब उसके वजह से मैं भी माचा पी रही हूँ. सो आई थिंक हम ना इतने इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे के खाने पीने से कि हम अडेप्ट कर लेते हैं वो. सो आई थिंक हर.
तो साक्षी. This goes to Sakshi.
Yeah.
Next one. Okay. Next one is at 2 I think. No. That's what he said. It says that's what he said. Okay. You know how it's said, na? That's what he said, that's what she said.
Yeah,
it's
but
basically said in a very funny but pervert way. Like कि जो थोड़े गंदे comment करता है मस्ती में और बोल देता है that's what he said, that's what she said. कौन हो सकता है?
कौन हो सकता है? जो मस्ती
में ऐसे comment. Please Laughter Chef में है. I have a name.
अली.
अली.
या मतलब बट you know fun way में because
Yeah,
ये बहुत
in a fun way.
मस्ती करते हैं
Yeah, yeah,
but
in a
इसमें
fun
से
way.
कुछ ऐसे pervert या ऐसे कुछ भी
That-
गलत
that's
way
what
में
we said,
नहीं
it's in a fun way
yeah
only.
but fun way में I think yeah Ali is funny that way
Really?
yeah
Someone who cracks dirty jokes basically. Who?
dirty jokes
Like funny dirty jokes. I have a name here.
but you know can I be honest हमारे सेट पे I'm sure लोग करते हैं dirty joke crack लेकिन they are very cautious when girls are around so they don't
But I have a name.
ऐसा तो बोल दो फिर
Someone.
really but नहीं never
He's not a dirty guy, but he's just funny. He's funny.
yeah funny is okay
Yeah.
but dirty
I
joke
love
हमारे
him.
around नहीं I think वो boys आपस में crack करते हैं
हाँ. It says a hot mess. Okay.
ah
Who do you think is that one person like who's a hot mess?
hot mess
मतलब he's a mess, but he's very hot.
he
Of course.
मैं तो she मेरी दोस्त बोलने वाली थी कोई
किसका बताओ? चलो ये दोस्त बोल दो.
I think Roshni is very hot
Okay.
and I think Reem is also very hot
Okay. So
Yeah.
but they're messy also.
can be messy at times yeah and because I'm there I'm very very close to them obviously so I know that they really can be messy at times
And do what? What is the mess that they've created? Like
that's not for me to tell you
unorganized चीजें.
yeah so it's their personal mess ना
I'm saying चीजें इधर उधर रख दिया ऐसा.
हाँ रख दिया
अच्छा
socks इधर फेंक दिया उधर फेंक दिया
ये अगर उनके पास जाएंगे तो ये फेंक देंगे. This one is a snack. Now you can't take a girl's name. You have to take somebody who you have a crush on. It could be anybody, anybody, any celebrity crush.
celebrity crush में मैं बोल रही हूँ Justin Bieber
Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
Wow, you've been like a
my first crush and I still have a little on him
from.
and especially after the Bieber चला
तो मेरे को बताओ कि कभी देखा है मतलब have you like gone for a concert? or
no
something?
no never
I hope. Justin
मेरा एक
Bieber.
तरफा इश्क
एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत ही कुछ और. Okay, this is very. I would give it to you, but I'm still asking you to give it to somebody else.
and why would you give that to me
I'll tell you. One who climbs and succeeds despite people trying to pull them down.
oh thank you
Snakes and ladders. I love this.
I think my dad yeah
And why do you say that?
because you know he shifted to Mumbai हमारे उनकी फैमिली में you know किसी का ऐसा बैकग्राउंड अलग था हमारी फैमिली में से कोई एक्टिंग बैकग्राउंड कोई इंडस्ट्री से नहीं था उन्होंने बहुत ही अलग पाथ चूज़ किया उन्होंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ जो वहाँ पर सेट थी वो छोड़कर एक नए शहर में आए उन्होंने शुरुआत की और उन्होंने अपने ड्रीम्स चेज़ करवाए ही ड्रीम्ड बिग एंड आई एम श्योर उनके बहुत अपने हसल्स रहे हैं लोगों ने आई एम श्योर उनको बोला है कि you know इसमें कुछ होगा नहीं मस्ती मजाक के लिए ठीक है but you're wasting your time on her and you know all of that had happened but he never listened to anybody
That's such a good thing, and I think you've got that in you. I think you've got that in you. Actually, now मुझे याद है मैं भी उनका ही
Out of service.
Out of service.
out of service
I'm out of service only. I'll go out of service very very soon. इतना मुझे मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है भैया. Now we have hankies. Okay. This
just want to see how many you've got
5 each. This basically, and by the way, I'm also going to ask you if you had to style this, like you know, today
The
people
bandana
style,
or like a scarf
and
or-
they also put it like on your shirts
Really?
and your pants. Yeah, they're doing it now. So basically, this has got dil also.
it's too Gen Z na
Yeah. It has got dil and it's got
yeah
तो जो बहुत रो सकता है मतलब who is
Crybaby.
who's over emotional and over loving, like basically जिसको प्यार भी है.
my mom she's so loving she's so like मतलब मुझे लगता है वो कभी अपना प्यार डिस्क्राइब करने देंगे उसमें भी रोने लगेंगी मैं तुमसे इतना प्यार करती हूँ
When was the last time she cried?
I don't know. I mean, I can't remember. Honestly, that's really nice, but I think that she's the most capable of doing that.
And when was the last time you cried?
The last time I cried, I don't remember when I cried, yeah. But I was emotional during my premiere. But that doesn't count in crying.
Yeah, but tell me something. How do you usually deal with any kind of emotional upheavals in life, which is not positive? Like, what is your defense? Like, I'm saying heartbreak in any
Any form.
Yeah.
By not dealing with it at all.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I think, you know, when you think that, okay, I need to deal with it, you're giving that thing importance. You know, you're giving that space. You know, you're actually thinking in a way where you actually have to put in your energy by distracting yourself from that thing. I just let it be, like, just it's non-existence. And I think that's how I deal with it, by not dealing with it at all.
But doesn't it feel like a little then, you know, problematic? Like I'm talking about professional also.
मैं प्रोफेशनल ही बोल रही हूँ, ट्रस्ट मी. मैंने अभी तुम्हें बोला था थोड़ी देर पहले दैट आई एम नॉट एन एक्सप्रेसिव पर्सन.
Yeah.
यू नो, इवन व्हेन आई एम हर्ट, या अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ का डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हो गया, या मुझे ऐसा लगा दैट ओ दिस इज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ फेलियर या कुछ भी, आई डोंट रिएक्ट. आई एम वेरी, आई जस्ट शट माई सेल्फ.
Yeah.
And nobody will be able to tell that I actually have done it.
Yeah.
I'm very good at it. I mean, even if I'm extremely upset, emotional, even if I want to cry or sob, I can still talk like this.
You can mask your emotions like that. This is a dog. I want to ask you, like, somebody who's extremely loyal, like extremely loyal, extremely faithful, and loyal in friendships. Somebody जिसके लिए रिश्ते बहुत मैटर करते हैं, because dogs are the best.
Somebody जिसके लिए रिश्ते बहुत मैटर करते हैं, आई थिंक यार ये तो मतलब मेरा जितना कोर सर्कल है, एवरीबडी इज़ वेरी लॉयल. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ द रीज़न हम इतने साल से साथ हैं, और वो मेरा कोर सर्कल है. क्योंकि
Like who all are there?
like I would say Reem is very loyal. Roshni and I have been friends for so many years now. Sakshi is very loyal. Shivangi and I have known each other for 4 or 5 years now, but she's extremely loyal. These are all my people, like hardcore my people. तो ये लोग तो हैं. और अभी भी मुझे लाफ्टर से भी इतने अच्छे दोस्त मिले. Like Ali and I have become very very close. He's my bittu. You know, I share everything with him also. And
Who else from laughter?
Vicky Bhai is somebody who I'm very very close to. But you know, even apart from that, मतलब सिर्फ close की बात नहीं, but people I get really along with, I think almost everybody.
Yeah, you do.
Everybody.
Yeah.
And वही उसको भी हमने जिन के साथ थोड़ा लेट हुआ, उनके साथ लेट हुआ, but सबके साथ organically form हुआ है.
Yeah.
So I think which is sweet.
But how important is loyalty for you?
The most important. Respect and loyalty मेरे life के non-negotiable zone में आते हैं. हर relationship में, be it professional, be it personal, be it anything, ये दो चीज़ें हैं जिसके बिना तो मतलब मुझे लगता है मेरी ज़िंदगी की डोर ये दो चीज़ों पर टिकी हुई है.
That's so true. Hypnotizing. Who has a very hypnotizing personality?
Nayandeep. My friend Nayandeep. I think he can compel people into actually getting the secrets out, and he can actually make people say yes to things that they've never done before with anybody else. So I think that's him.
I get the secrets out, but then I edit them out from my
But you
episodes when my friends tell me that please don't say that also. I am always the nicest, please. Thank you.
But I am giving this to you in a very positive way.
I know.
Yeah.
I know, like,
Yeah.
if you are
know,
giving
if
me
people
something-
open up to you also, or people, if they're confiding in you, that is your win also.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, cat. You know, somebody's really catty, like who can give back, who can clock you with some witty, snappy responses.
That would be me, but not like that.
No, not in a rude way.
Yeah,
Like
but
in
that,
comeback.
yeah, me. Don't you
Okay.
think so?
I absolutely think
Yeah.
so. But apart from you, who can give a comeback to you, Ray? I want to understand that.
Somebody who can give a comeback to me.
Yeah. Is there anybody who can match you in that war of words kind of a situation? अच्छा, कैट तो गॉसिप भी करती है. मेरे को बताओ कि तुम्हारे आजू बाजू, मेरा नाम मत लेना, मेरा नाम छोड़ के तुमने बोल दिया ऑलरेडी. हु इज द पर्सन हु हैज ऑल द इंडस्ट्री गॉसिप?
One person that has all the gossip, I think, Urfi.
Urfi, yes. Urfi does have all the industry gossip. It's a fact.
Yeah.
Urfi is the Karan Johar of this industry. Okay, this I will gift to Jannat. It's a koala bear, basically, who loves to sleep and rest.
Just because I slept 12 hours today, after I don't know how many weeks. So you want to give this to me?
Do you want me to tell them something?
No. Give it to me.
But if you had to give it to somebody, I know who the name is. Who likes sleeping? Who's always sleeping while shooting? Who? मजाक बनाया जाता है यार.
Elvish. Correct.
बेचारा.
Elvish
तो सच में?
he sleeps a lot. Yeah, I think Elvish because he is almost always sleeping on set.
Really? Always?
Yeah, I think between obviously breaks में, but yeah, वो नींद में आता है मुझे लगता है. सेट पे वो पूरा दिन नींद में होता है, इसलिए वो काला चश्मा पहनता है.
पूरा every time he's wearing काला चश्मा.
Yeah, most of the time he's wearing kala chashma only.
Yeah.
He just don't get rid of that kala chashma because his eyes are like always swollen.
But you know that the people ship you guys together and it's called Janvish. What do you have to say to that? Like, let me just say this out there. There's nothing. But people love both of your chemistry together on the show and even in the music video and everything, like in that whole space. What do you have to say to that?
I think it's very sweet. I mean, it's just nice the kind of love and support they give us. And it's nice. He's a very good friend of mine. तो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, करो.
What is it that about him that you like the most? Like what one quality about him that you absolutely like?
I think he's a very. I mean, the whole perception of Elvish was very different when I had not met him. But after I met him, it completely changed. And I think he's a very nice, he's a sweet, gentle guy. And he just comes across as somebody different, but he's not like that. So I think his whole personality is, when you know him, you know him.
He's one of the most, what do I say, supportive people. Genuinely. And वो ना बहुत, he's very grounded, he's very nice. I also faced this.
Yeah.
I went on a podcast where 3 people were saying things about him and I just couldn't take it and I just went on a rant. I'm like, but that's what everybody thinks, but he's not like that.
Yeah.
Those people who get past that boundary line, he has a boundary line, you also have a boundary line, where certain people cannot cross, right? When people cross that boundary line, that's when they realize how you are actually. I feel it's the same for Elvish. More so for him because of everything that has happened, but I'm happy for him that he's like so happy right now and he's finally that video I will never forget with his mom when he put out the verdict of it. It was, and you guys all celebrated it. It was the best thing. You guys celebrated on the set?
On the sets, yes.
What did you guys do?
So we cut the cake obviously and it was all telecasted and everybody was genuinely very, very happy. All of us were very happy for him.
You guys have become a family.
Absolutely.
These 3 I'm going to give you. There are nothing. I want you to see. And I want you to tell us, if you had to style them, how would you wear them? Would you wear them on your hair? Would you wear them?
I think this one I would wear on my head, like because this is a like nice. Oh, this is giving like nice beach vibe. So yeah, definitely on the head. This is going.
Yeah.
This I think I can do it on my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think on the hand, I think it will look nice.
I think you're
and
very
this is
good
the
with
same.
styling. Yeah, this is similar.
This is too similar, no?
Yeah, this is similar.
This I think.
Yeah.
I think over here, or maybe like on the belt or something like that.
I think we should do a styling day with Jannat. Jannat can make anything look very, very good. Okay, now we have coasters. These are the last round. Make your friendship decisions based on food choices. Okay? Who are those 3 friends of yours who would make their friendship decisions based on their food choices?
I didn't understand.
Like, I would be a friend with you, but because of our similar food tastes, food choices.
Oh, I think first that would be Ayan. Yeah.
What does he love eating?
I mean, everything that most people won't like eating.
Which is?
I mean, he's very selective when it comes to food and he's big on like faludas and you know all of that. And अब मुझे ही बोलता है let's go eat faluda and I'm like faluda रात के 2 बजे, like are you mad? So many calories food. तो आई थिंक उसके लिए मैटर करता है कि ये सब कोई खाए और ये सब चले and all of that.
So Ayan.
Ayan.
Who else? Anybody else?
No.
It's a fortune cookie, right? The fortune thing's coming. If you could manifest something right now that we both will manifest for you, that happens before 2027 May, and we do another interview again in May. May is lucky. It's my birthday month. I think I only meet you in May for interviews. What would it be?
What would it be? I mean, there are so
One
many
thing,
on my
manifestation.
Okay, let's just say we should be talking about another acting project that's come out.
Wherever there's wood, or I'm pretty sure there would be more than one. And we'll come back to this. Trust me. After Glory, there will definitely be more than one. Okay. Hangover. First of all, who can take a few, and one person who gets drunk with 2 shots.
I don't know. I actually don't know because see I don't drink.
I know.
So normally अगर मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी कहीं जा रही हूँ, it's mostly for dinner or lunches or brunches. So I actually have no idea about this कि किसको कितना कोई क्या ले सकता है, honestly.
But that's true. Like at parties,
wouldn't
whenever
know.
I see Jannat, I'm happy because I know that there will at least be those 1 or 2, 3 people
Yeah.
who will not drink and who will be there
Yeah.
and who would be. So I give it to you. Okay. Now you can't take my name here. Drama, I take mine. Black, no sugar. Who loves drama?
I would say Rajiv. Rajiv.
Aditya.
He would actually call me from London to give me bad gossip. So I think, and he loves it.
What's the last gossip that he gave you?
It is so sweet of you to think that I'm going to tell you that. Like, I love that about you,
Oh,
man.
love
like,
it.
Love it.
I was like, what is she going to say? Achha, what was the last piece of gossip you heard from anybody? Who does it matter?
It's not for me to share.
Okay.
It's not my place. People actually confide in me, and I
Oh, that's,
stand by
then
it.
we'll not force you. What about drama? Do you like drama around you?
No.
You're very.
I don't like drama.
I know that.
No,
You would run away.
no. You know, even when people are telling me, I'm like, if we can skip this part, you better skip it. I'm not
Yeah.
interested.
You are not.
Yeah.
This though anybody would ask for Laughter Chef people. Chef? No. Survivor? Absolutely. The most jugaru chef on the table. Who is it?
I think I'll
जिसको खाना पकाना आता नहीं पर जुगाड़ करके कुछ ना कुछ बना लेता है.
Kashmira.
कश्मीरा.
कश्मीरा बेचारी वो अकेले पकाती है बिकॉज कृष्णा तो बेचारे रहते ही नहीं है, उसको खाना पकाना नहीं आता है, बट वो बेचारी कुछ ना कुछ करके वो बना ही लेती है और कभी कभी स्टार्स भी जीत जाती है, तो वो सर्वाइव.
समर्थ यार समटाइम्स.
नो ही कैन कुक.
समर्थ
उसको पता है, वो कर लेता है. पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि उसका नाम लो, बट समर्थ कर लेता है. अभिषेक भी कर लेता है. और पता है ये लोग कैसे ना, मतलब इतने ज्यादा जुगाड़ू नहीं है. कश्मीरा बहुत जुगाड़ू लगती है, कभी किसी का चुरा के लाके रख देगी, कुछ कर देगी, अंदर कुछ स्टफ कर देगी कि वो दिखे अच्छा, बट प्रेजेंट हो जाता है, यू नो.
ओके, लास्ट वन. ओवरथिंकिंग फेक सिनेरियोज. बेसिकली अपने ही दिमाग में सोच लिया कि ये तो हो जाएगा, बट एक्चुअली होता नहीं फिर भी.
Pro Max. That's me.
Show it. Say it like this.
This is me. This is me. I'm an overthinker. Pro Max. बहुत सारे सिनेरियोज मैं अपने दिमाग में बनाती हूँ जिसका कुछ नहीं होने वाला, बट बनाती हूँ मैं. क्या करूँ? I'm an overthinker.
But has it ever like bothered you eventually?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't turn out to be true even most of the times, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it does turn out to be true.
At times, not always, but I think this has helped me also. But then also, it's sometimes it's just like I'm like, okay, let me just sleep like peacefully. But yeah.
But you're like, oh, I predicted it.
Yeah.
But see, I knew you will be very, very honest. So this small little gift from Hexafun is for you. I want you to open and see if you really like it. I know that it goes well with the whole vibe of your.
I think I love it.
It's a mix of everything. And if you want any of the coasters, please keep, because they have just newly launched this. So
this is so sweet and so colorful. I would love to add some color to my house.
Please.
Add some extra color to my room. So thank you for gifting me
and
this.
And you know where this should go now. You know the conversation that we've had already. But thank you, Jannat, for inviting us home. Thank you, Jannat, for being so kind, gracious, and allowing us to shoot with you for so long. And genuinely sorry for being late. But I want to tell you that I said this outside also, but you will always be a sister to me. You will never be a celebrity to me, and you have full haq to do or say anything to me, because that's my love for you, and it will always be that way.
Thank you, Nayan.
I will protect you with all my might and all my heart forever.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You should just know that.
I know.
You know, I can't be very articulate with my words, but it's a feeling. I think you should just know how I feel about it.
I know it. If you've tied me a Rakhi, I genuinely know that you feel that way about it.
And I don't tie Rakhi to a lot of people.
Thank you so much.